What's up, guys? Oh man, welcome back. It is time for a hardware tutorial. Yes, sir. I was thinking, alright, I have this Steema X drone, right? It's a very nice drone. It's a little pocket one. Let's put the light over here. Oh, lovely. This drone, it has a problem. There's some drag, this blade. Yeah, on this quadrant blade, there's some drag. Alright, so let's get our setup, let's get our tools, let's get our As it turned out, the only problem was that I had the wrong blade attachment in the wrong quadrant. I had a B-axis blade,
where an A-axis blade was supposed to be,
which is just an inverted A-axis blade, and they are diagonally aligned, so each quadrant is diagonal to its identical blade. So really, I didn't have to take it apart at all. Was that tasty, sir?
Jackson, get over here now!
The last part of this hardware tutorial, I'm gonna
show
you guys how to solder. I have a USB hub with a USB port that its inputs are out of place, like it slides in and out of its socket. I'll be able to show you, but I have to solder it back in. Okay guys, so this video was tons of fun to make. It took me forever, so it would mean the world to me. It would mean like a trip to the moon and back if you were to like and subscribe. Apart from that, I'll see you in the next video. Jeez, there's nothing there anymore. Ew, I've grown so minuscule. Oh.